Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and today I will be showing you how to make at-home stickers. All of my images came from Google or Tumblr. To make the stickers, you are going to need parchment paper, and that's going to be the first layer. You're going to want to use a heavy-duty tape, and I was using Scotch shipping. Now you're going to want to cover the parchment paper with the tape, and you are going to want to overlap the tape, as this will create the sticky side to the stickers. So that is what sticks to the wall or a door or your notebook. You're going to repeat until paper is fully covered. Once you got the paper fully covered, you are going to want to lay out your images. You are going to want to leave some room between the border of the paper and between the other pictures. You're going to want to cover the pictures with tape, and again you're going to be overlapping the tape just to create almost like a laminated effect. Once your entire sheet of pictures is fully covered with tape, you are going to want to remove the tape from whatever surface you're working on. Be very careful, as the parchment paper can rip. Now, if you're going to be working on another layout, you might want to cut off the edges to make sure your papers don't stick together. If not, just start cutting out your images. You are going to want to leave some extra tape, as that will help stick to whatever you're using the pictures for. Once you're done, you should have a pile that looks similar to this. Now it's time to get painting.